Alright, pretty sure the camera's a little bit crooked, but that's alright. Trying out a new camera stand here. I realized in all my videos I'm basically just pointing the camera at things and I'm not in the footage at all. So, hello, here I am. Today is, I don't know what day today is. Like, calendar-wise, it's January 15th, so I think that puts me at about day 18 since my first sale. I really don't know when day 0 was, but I started around December 27th, I think it was. It was when I got my first order. But anyways, just want to say I got another order yesterday. This was actually an order for 2 items. I'm not going to say what it is. I'm trying to be a little cautious there. But it's my first sale of this particular item, so that was great. I sold 2 at the same time. They're $15 each. They cost me like 33 cents to print, so awesome profit margin there. I also got a bulk order of these envelopes here because I was paying about $2 each at the post office, which is crazy. So I took a chance and I bought a box of 50 and they work out to about 17 cents each. So I'm going to save a lot of money there. And because of that, I was able to drop my handling rates down. I was charging $2.50. I dropped it down to $1.50 for now. I think I'm going to drop it even further. I really want to kind of reduce the shipping fees as much as possible because I've actually reached out to a few people that have well, initially they'd reach out to me with a question and then I'd offer them a coupon or something like that, and they'd be like, well, I'd like to help you out, but shipping's gonna be like 20 bucks, which is ridiculous on a $5 item, and I completely agree. So then I'd look at it and I'd be like, why is the shipping so high? And it really just comes down to Canada Post. It's crazy. They're not very big items, they're not very heavy. There's not a lot I can do to reduce the cost other than using a third-party provider, but it's a little more work than I want to get into right now. Plus I'm not really sure how it works. Like, when I just bill them for the Etsy amount and then I'm overcharging? Do I just keep the money? I don't know how that works. I don't know how people are doing that, so I need to do some more research there. But for now, just using Etsy shipping, trying to reduce the shipping costs where I can, which is basically the handling. Other than that, yeah, that was order number 4. So that's 3 actual orders, plus a friend of mine was nice enough to support me and make an order on my site. And in that case, you know, he's going to provide me lots of feedback on, you know, how was the shipping, was it packaged well, you know, what's the print quality like. You know, I told him to be as honest as possible, but if he could still give me a 5-star review, that'd be really nice. So I'm sure he'll do that. But yeah, it doesn't hurt to get honest feedback from friends and family. You know, something that he wanted anyways, so works out for me. But yeah, so again, order number 4 or 3, depending on how you look at it, but it's pretty exciting. It's a double order. The other thing that was really kind of interesting too, and I think I mentioned this in the first video I did, I would have like nothing. There'd be nothing going on in the store, and I get kind of antsy, so I start tweaking things. So the first time I redid all my photos, I made a light box, took new photos, and while I did that, I made a sale. Like I was sitting right there working on the site and I made a sale. It's like, okay, sweet, must have been the new photos. Continue doing that, not really getting more sales. Eventually I get a random sale, but couldn't really figure out exactly why it happened, and you know, it wasn't an obvious thing. Actually, sorry, that one did come through an ad, now that I think about it. Then this third one, it happened again while I was making changes on the site. I just went through and I redid basically all of my listings minus like 2 or 3 of them. I just hadn't gotten to them yet. And then I got the sale, and I'm like, great, it's working. My new listings with icons or emoticons and, you know, longer descriptions and more keywords, I thought it worked, great. Then I look at the one that sold, and it's one of the few I haven't gotten to yet. So untouched, I'd never sold that item before, wasn't really getting any traction. Suddenly I sold one. The other weird thing is yesterday I had 7 visits to my site all day. I basically turned off ads, just want to see how I did on some. I got 7 visits. The day before was 9. That's not much. I was getting, you know, upwards of 100 before, even without ads. So I'm not really sure why it dropped off, but it's weird because that was still enough to make me 30 bucks, so I'll take it. But yeah, still playing around with different things, trying to figure out what works, what doesn't. I do think all the new photos and descriptions are going to make a huge difference. I do think it's a good idea making investment on these packages here. I think next up I gotta get, I don't know if I'm going to do, I was thinking about a printer for, sorry, like on the postage printer, but I don't know if I want to invest that much yet. I've got a perfectly good laser printer here, so I'm actually gonna get some of the papers that are pretty sticky and peel off. Because I don't want to show up because there's someone's address on here, but basically I use tape to put it on. It looks kind of sloppy, so I'd like to do a better job of that and just make it look a little more professional. Other than that, I'm just using, this is just white tissue paper that I'm wrapping everything with up inside. That's just left over from Christmas and stuff. I haven't spent any money there, but I've been saving little bits of packaging and stuff here or there, anything that looks useful that I can reuse, that's clean. Why not? I don't think people are going to be too concerned about saving a little bit of wrapping as long as it's clean and doesn't smell or something weird like that. That was one thing I never thought about till today. Someone brought up on Reddit they had complaints that their thing smelled like cigarette smoke. Now I don't smoke, but you never know. You could cook something and maybe your package smells like onions. I don't know. So that's something to be thoughtful of. Anyways, just kind of rambling at this point, so I'm gonna wrap it up. But anyways, today is January 15th. I got sale number, I'll say number 3. I'm not gonna really count what my pen purchased. But yeah, it's 3 organic sales. I wouldn't say I'm making a profit at this point because I've spent a fortune between, well, I got the P1P here, I got the AMS, and I probably spent a small fortune just on filament at this point. So who knows? I'm definitely not making profit yet, but at this point I'm having fun and helping people out, I like to think. So we'll see. Anyways, that's it for now. Cheers.